Do you know who has built this Taj Hotel and the story behind it? When I came to know the fact, it it is really interesting, and I thought that I should share this with you also. And so I'm making this video so that you will also come to know who has built this hotel and how it has been so big. So this is so big hotel, luxurious and one of the 5 stars hotels. Here it is Gateway of India. This is also tourist place, and the front view is this. As you can see, so great view from here. This hotel is a story of an insult faced by Jamshedji Tata, father of Ratan Tata. He has made this great and grand and luxurious hotel in Kulaba, in Mumbai. And this hotel has been established in 1903. That means almost 120 years old this hotel is. So this is the gateway of India. This is built after the Taj Mahal, after almost 22 years. This has been built in 1924. As you can see, this is really very calm and serene place. So much crowd is here. Today is holiday, so crowd has come here to experience this scenery. A beautiful place to visit. Whenever foreigners and the people across the India, across the globe come here, they surely visit this place. And I'm sure that when you will also come here, you will also enjoy this place. See, you can see the place, the beauty of the place, the beauty of the sculpture, the art used here. After 120 years, this hotel is standing tall, making India proud. And really, it has a great story. So I'm standing here, experience this great moment. Really, I came here in last week and I saw this beautiful place. I have been here in Mumbai for last 10 years, more than 10 years, I can say. I came here in 2009. Since then, I'm working here. And now, I really enjoy this moment. For last 10 years, I have not been to many of the places in Mumbai. I had come here some 5-6 years back, but that time I had seen only Gateway of India, and I had not come here. So now I'm just, exploring the places in Mumbai and just trying to make the videos and explaining you those videos in English so that you will also understand that how we can describe a particular scene, particular place. You have to have the confidence, and once you have that confidence, you can start, you can initiate the talk, you can initiate to make such videos. Okay, going into the public and to talk to the strangers and unknown people, I met so many people here and tried my best to have word with them, to talk to them. Many of the people so far have refused to talk, but still I have not I've not hesitated. I would try my level best to talk to them and make this place, make this moment a beautiful moment, memorable moment in my life. Really, this place is so nice to visit. Here you can see these ferries. You can take the ride from here. Half an hour ride you will get here. And you can visit Elephanta Caves there. Small island is there. You can visit that also, since this is very close to this place. And here you can get a ticket online. So you can go there and you can visit that place also. This is the Gateway of India. This is very close to the Hotel Taj Mahal. This is also a nice place. As you can see there, so much crowd is there. Today it's holiday. So crowd has come here to enjoy the moment. And really, this is so nice place. And it is very hot here. Scorching sun is above me. But still, due to this Arab Ocean, we can see the atmosphere is little cool. And really, people are enjoying here. They have come here with their family. And they are just roaming here, exploring the places, exploring the new things here. This is really a historical place, Gateway of India and Taj Hotel. It has been built in 1903 by Jamshedji Tata, father of Ratan Tata, Tata Motors. And when I came to know the story behind this big establishment, I thought that I should share this story with you. And so I'm making this video so that everyone will come to know the legacy India has. And this hotel is really making the India proud. So this hotel has been built in 1903. Almost 120 years have passed, and still this is making India proud. So this hotel is a story of an insult faced by Jamshedji Tata when he had gone to attend a meeting in Britain. He was denied entry to the Hotel Watson, saying that hotel was booked for the white people only, and he had been denied the entry. So he thought that he will make a luxurious hotel in India, and he came here and he has built this luxurious, grand and expensive hotel. So it is said that the lowest room in this hotel is around 45,000, and the highest paid room is in lakhs. So many stars, foreigners, diplomats have visited this place, cricketers also, and really they have enjoyed this place. This is the Gateway of India. It has been built in 1924, almost 22 years after the Taj Hotel. So the history of Taj Hotel is much older than the Gateway of India. So this view is very calm, very serene. You can enjoy this moment. You can come here. You can enjoy the ferry ride here. You can go to the Elephanta Caves. There are small temple. There is a small island, and there you can see that Elephanta temples, Elephanta Caves. This is also historical place. You can go and visit and enjoy. So talking into the public and making the videos has been really a great experience so far. people are really enjoying, and I'm also enjoying the moment. I came here last week and I thought that I should make many videos like this, and so I really enjoyed last week, and so I visited this place again, and I'm just capturing this moment, capturing this atmosphere live for you, so that you will also love to see, you will also enjoy sitting at home. I like this view so much. As you can see, so many ferries, so many small ships are here, big ships are also there. Water is so much, and so I am feeling the coolness in the air, the moisture in the air, and it is really exhilarating. It is invigorating, motivating me to stay here, not letting me to go anywhere. So it is really so important to visit this place if you are in Mumbai. Many foreigners, many cricketers, film stars come here and they visit this place and enjoy the scenery, enjoy the moment here. Really it is interesting and historical place, and that's why people come here. Today I tried to talk to strangers and foreigners also, but I failed in all of them. Nobody talked to me. So I thought that I should make a video, because now I can see that there is no any foreigner here, because it is so hot and they cannot bear the hotness, so much hotness. The atmosphere will be around 40 plus Celsius, so you can imagine that there is so much hotness in the atmosphere. So the story is like, when he had been in Britain and he had been denied the entry, he came to the India, Jamshedji Tata, and then he made this luxurious hotel, and now this is really a big hotel. You know that it is having around 500 rooms in this hotel. But you might know that in 2008 this hotel had faced terrorist attack, and around 170 people were died in that incident, including some foreigners also. But after 3 years of the maintenance and repairing, this hotel is open for everyone now. Hillary Clinton and former President of the America, Mr. Obama, they have visited this place after the attack to motivate the Indians and the visitors, to motivate the tourists, to invite them and visit the India and to see this historical monument. And really I can see that now there is so much rush. So many vehicles are here, so many people are here visiting this place, and so really this hotel is making India proud. When you will come here in Mumbai, it's very easy to reach here, to get to this place. Once you reach to the CST railway station, you can come here from the AC bus, which is so cheap, and it is 5 minutes distance from the CST to Gateway of India. So you can come here by bus or by private taxi also, and you can visit this place. Everyone knows this place. The people here are so supportive. This street food you can enjoy here. It is also so nice, so tasty. I tested and I really liked it. So you can also enjoy that when you come here. Really, it is must visit place if you are in Mumbai. You can take a ride from this Arab Ocean and you can go to the Alibag from this ferry ride. So really you can enjoy, you can have great moments here. So really I tell you that whenever you will come to visit Mumbai, just visit this place and enjoy the moment. They enjoy Gateway of India also. Many film stars come here. Film shootings have been conducted here.